Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm preparing some, chili bhaji chutney, which will be very good for chapati along with whatever sabji we have. So the ingredients what I need for that is bhaji and some chili powder, red chili powder, salt, and some garlic and jeera. I'll just show you. So I have bhajia, and then I have some garlic, then I have some jeera, and then some red chili, and then some salt. I'll just prepare it now. So I'm taking garlic first and then some jeeras. So what I will do, I'll take a small lota like this, and then I'll smash it with this. So first I'll smash the jeera like this. And then I'll add the garlics. So careful, it will just bounce away from the plate. So I think you need to use the steel plates for this, otherwise the plastic and glass will break. But this one you use the steel lota and steel plate, so which is strong. So the mix is ready. I'll just take out all. So Varun is here. I'll show him in a minute. So see, this guy is Varun. Say hi, Varun.
Hi.
He's helping me with the video. He is very good boy. He is very supportive. I like him very much. So for this mixture, I'll add all the bhajis. So I took some 4, 6, 8, 9 bhajis I took, but you can take it 3 or 4 is enough for a person. So for me and my wife and for Varun, I have 9. So I'll just break them like this. Okay, break them properly. Don't remove the chilies, those will add the flavor. It is very flavorish chutney. I think this is not the chili one, but still it tastes better. I'm sure if you make this along with chapati or even with rice, with any sambar, it will be heavenly tasty and heavenly aromatic. So I'm breaking all the bhajis here. It won't take more than 5 minutes if you have all the ingredients. So I'm just breaking all. So after breaking all, I'll just mix with them. There is one unbroken. I'll just break it. Okay, I'm just mixing with that. So you can even mix this in bowl. I just use the plate. So make sure your garlic and jeera is applied for all the bhajis. So it will be very tasty. I'm sure, because from childhood I'm eating this, and whenever there is if there is no special in my home, we used to prepare this for a dinner. So this is kind of this bhaji is usually available in the night time. That's why we'll just prepare it for dinner. So once you mix, you need to add the chili powder, red chili powder, and then salt. Salt is very minimal because these bhajis always have salt enough for the taste. So you just have to to balance the chili powder, you just have to add the salt. Otherwise it is fine, good to go. So I'm adding the chili powder. You know, you can add how much ever you want. I usually like chili more, so I'm just adding more, but it's all up to you. What is the hot level you want in your chutney? Based on that, you can add it. So as I told, I will just add a little amount of salt here, only pinch. This much is more than enough because these things will have salt already. So once you add red chili and salt, you just have to mix it again. You can mix, if you are using bowl, you can mix it by spoon. If you are using the plates, you can do it by hand, but careful, your hands might burn after the preparation. You can apply some coconut oil, that will reduce the burning sensation if you get the burning. Otherwise, I usually get for 30 seconds and then I'll just ignore it. So I'm just putting it into the bowl. I'm just putting this for garnish. I think it looks pretty. You know, it tastes good also.